Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj. I am here to continue the rest of the chapter. I hope you will be listening to me very carefully. That night, the king and his minister went secretly to the prison, released the Guru and the disciple, disguised themselves as the two, and as arranged beforehand, the loyal servants were taken to the stake and promptly executed. That very night, the king and the minister, they both very secretly reached the prison, and as it was pre-planned, the executioners made them reach to the stake, and they were very promptly executed. Next, when the bodies were taken down to be thrown to crows and vultures, the people panicked. They saw before them the dead bodies of the king and the minister. The city was in confusion. When the dead bodies were taken down to be thrown to the crows and vultures, having seen it, all the people of the city, they got completely in panic. They were panicked. They could not believe their eyes that how is it possible. The city was in confusion. The entire city got confused. They were not able to believe. All night they mourned and discussed the future of the kingdom. Some people suddenly thought of the Guru and the disciple caught up with them, and as they were preparing to leave town unnoticed. That night, people of the city were not able to sleep. They were panicked. They were too much scared, having seen the dead bodies of the king and the minister. That some of them thought that about the Guru and the disciple as they were leaving the city unnoticed. We people need a king and a minister, said someone. Others agreed. They begged the Guru and the disciple to be their king and their minister. One of them said that we need a king and a minister for our kingdom. Right? So some of them begged the Guru and the disciple to be their king and their minister. It did not take many arguments to persuade the disciple, but it took longer to persuade the Guru. It took a long time to make Guru understand, to convince Guru. But it was very easy to convince the disciple. After some time, they both, the Guru and the disciple, got agreed on it. They really agreed to rule the kingdom of the foolish king and the silly minister, on the condition that they could change all the old laws. From then on, night would be again night, and day would be again day. You could get nothing for a dudu. It became like any other place. So after getting ready just to rule the kingdom, there were some conditions for the people of the kingdom. The Guru said that means it will be again as usual. The day will be day, the night will be night. Means whatever was being happening in the day, that will again happen during the day, and that was happening, that was being done at night, it will be again in night. So on these conditions they got ready. And you could get nothing for a dudu, means people could not get anything for a dudu, for a single coin. So, my dear students, here the chapter ends. I hope you must have understood. So, thank you very much.